morning, afternoon. Welcome to Car Salvage 101. I'm not looking my best, I'll be honest, in this camera. So I do apologise to everyone who's watching. I don't know if I've got allergy, which is a bit weird because it's like 7 degrees and it's not sunny or anything, or whether I'm just coming down with something. I'm not going to bore you with that. This is a midweek video to just go over the cars that I've got, why I've got them, and what we're going to do with them. It's not going to be too long, so don't worry. And 3 of them are already here. I am waiting on, bear with me, car's going to go past. I'm waiting on B&W, which is currently away being sorted. That is having EGR valve and cooler and the vacuum sensor as well. So first off, Alfa Romeo Giulietta, featured on the channel last year, sort of mid last year. This is my daily run around at the moment, to and from work. 52,000 miles, uncategorized, and it's just ferrying around the parts that I need to put into storage. And yeah, as I say, it gets me to and from work. This isn't my long-term car, it's just purely whilst I get rid of other cars, and then I can concentrate on having a better, more German car, shall we say. Yeah, the story behind this one is that, which I haven't featured yet, is that it had to have a new gearbox because the gears were crunching. But that was about £1,500 when I bought this, so there's still some value in that one. The mint green 500, getting pretty much close to the end of that. There will be a video coming on all of this one because it's bodywork time on this, which is why it's slightly jacked up at the moment because I'm working on the sill. But yeah, there'll be a video covering what have I done to this. There's something that I needed to do apart from waiting for the documents. I think it is literally just bodywork, but so there's a video coming on that one, and that will be up for sale shortly. Oh dear, my nose. And then finally we have the grey 500, which again featured a good while ago on the channel. The MOT for this one, that MOT was last year at some point, and it has since been used by my dad whilst that Panda, which again featured on the channel, is being sorted. Again, I'm not going to go into too much detail on the Panda at the moment. Needless to say, we found out why it's not starting, but so at the moment that's his runaround, which is that grey 500, which is a Cat S. Again, it's about 70,000 miles on the clock, and that needs to be gone because that's eating into the MOT, and I really would like that one back at some point. There's nothing wrong with it now, it's all good. There's no issues, and yeah, so yeah, that's it really. Just trying to clear out cars really, free up quite a bit of money, because we just don't need them all. I've got to stop stocking up on cars because you can only do one at a time. However, the weather is obviously getting better, which is handy as well, so it just means I can be out more, and hopefully the sun will come out, even though it's forecast snow later in the week. There is 2 projects coming up. Hopefully they're brief ones, and probably won't really require too much on YouTube. I will go into those as and when they turn up, but I just thought really some of you that have been long-term subscribers of the channel sort of know roughly what cars I've got and sort of probably looking to work out what I'm doing with them. So yeah, I think that's going to be it. Just over 5-6 minutes long. In the meantime, while I've got you for that 5 minutes, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave any comments you think about the cars that I've got, any questions you've got, and you know, if you have any ideas about any future products or anything. Always interested to know what you think. But yeah, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all those that subscribe, and hopefully we'll have more to come on these cars in the future. Sorry, got real close up there. So yeah, see you all later.